Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Today I have an awesome video for you guys. I will be unboxing and giving the first impressions of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the Big Boss Purple Edition, and just, for a little bonus, the ink leather case that is from Apple and MagSafe compatible. So just for a little context, I used to be a huge Apple fanboy. Like, my first iPhone was the iPhone 4, and I took that all the way up until the iPhone 10. That's when I hopped on the Android train. I have been maining the S22 Ultra for quite some time now, and I have a Whitestone Dome screen protector on it, but you could see all of the focus. You could see the damage that those corners have taken. So I would like to do some kind of comparison video at some point. If you guys do have any questions or comments about Android and iPhones and all that, I know this has been a debate of quite some time. Just drop it in the comments down below and I'll be sure to answer you and maybe make a video about it in the future. I also am very excited to try out the Pixel. This is for a future video, my first time with a Google device, so if you want to see that, subscribe and stay tuned. Alright, let's get into that unboxing. Here we have the classic, simple Apple boxage here. Just your good old iPhone, a little Apple sticker, iPhone, or Apple logo rather, and the big old thingy on the front, which honestly seems very massive. I think the last phone that I had from Apple that was like a max version was like the 7 Plus or something. The last iPhone that I've actually ever had was the iPhone 10. So to see it this big, especially with the new little dynamic island thingy there, it's very interesting. Yeah, on this side you got your pull stickers and nothing crazy, so let's dive right into it. No unboxing knife necessary. Alright, shout out to my wife for letting me unbox her new iPhone, by the way. Here we go. Now that is very clean. This thing is absolutely ginormous. My hands are kind of clammy right now, so let's do a little fingerprint test right now. Ah, oh, gross. See, it does though disappear like once the nasty sweatiness goes away, but not too bad as far as like fingerprint magnetism goes. See what else we got in the box. Place that to the side really quick. You got your USB-C to lightning cable, which, okay, let me talk about this just for a quick second. With all of the scandalism that's going on with Apple and the EU and USB-C, like, they are literally giving you in their box a USB-C cable for the iPhone. Like, if the lightning cable was like, I don't know, better or something like that, like if they're really trying to die on this hill for now, why wouldn't it be lightning cable to lightning cable into a power adapter, you know? Like, they use USB-C for everything, and they even use it for their iPhone cables, just not the part that makes them money, which is a little... Alright, let me get off that hill. You know, this is a good video, Alright, your classic little Apple stuff. Oh, and here's another thing that I am kind of concerned about. They even throw it in their box. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. For more information, go to apple.com/eSIM. So, no popping and swapping SIMs. So if you have all kinds of phones, it's going to maybe be more of a hassle, maybe not. I don't know. We shall see. one little Apple sticker. It would have been dope if it was purple, but you know, that's just nitpicking at this point. Alright, time for the main attraction. Always love this. Oh, there it is. I gotta say, maybe it is just because this is the max version, but the little island up there, I can't really, like, I can tell where it is, but it honestly doesn't look like it takes up too much screen. Alright, let's do a run around the phone. Got your lightning port here. Your, what I'm assuming is an antenna band, maybe for 5G or something crazy. Giant button for sleep and power. On this side you have your mute and your loud, I guess, button, and then your volume up and down. As you can see from my sweaty little hands, the side stainless steel rails are definitely going to get all fingerprint magnetized. But boy, this thing is gorgeous. It really is like a piece of jewelry, like a lot of people say. This is the first iPhone that I've really gotten my hands on in a long time, and the build quality is definitely better than any kind of phone that I've gotten my hands on in the past few years. So for a quick size comparison, here is my S22 Ultra. Now, one thing that I've absolutely hated about pretty much every Android phone that is the Ultra version up to this point is the curved displays. You can see I have a Whitestone dome little screen protector on right there, but even in a case, because it is curved, that whole lip kind of just sits further out than any case really does. Oh, don't look at that. Don't look at that. And as you can see, that is like the first point of impact. And I didn't even drop this. Just putting it down, maybe face down, doing that Slamboy certified type thing, and just chipping all over the place. So I do think that with Apple's flat case or flat screen design there, any case that you have is going to be automatically just a million times more protective, especially when you have a screen protector. Now, I'm not going to install this in this video. One thing I am kind of concerned about is the fact that it covers the selfie camera and the little radar dot projection thingamajig, so I'm going to see how this goes. What we do have though is the ink MagSafe leather case. Let's do a quick run around of this case, just because why not? Don't want to make a separate video for it or anything, but you got your cutouts right there. Nice big beautiful buttons cut out, and as you can see, that circle, you got MagSafe built in here. Very nice leather case. I really dig this. And you also have quite a bit of camera protection with that Razivity on the camera lens there. Fits like a glove and is absolutely gorgeous. Alright, let's get this. Oh, there you go. Let's get this powered on. I'm gonna plug some information in this, and I'll get right back to you guys. Alright, I hope you like that quick little video. That is my wife's phone, and she is currently plugging in all our information into it. I am going to be maining the Pixel moving forward, so I will be releasing that unboxing video and will be going a little bit more in depth with that phone. I just couldn't bring myself to buy an iPhone for myself and my wife. I think the Pixel, getting it through Google Fi, what is it usually, like $4.99, $5.99, and then I got $100 off for the promotion, and I also got 256 gigs, which made it, I think, like $600 in total. plus that $7 a month for insurance through Google, whereas the iPhone was $1,300 for the Pro Max with 256 gig, I believe, and then like $200 for 2-year Apple Care, and ended up being $1,500. So it's kind of a steep price to pay, especially considering like with these Android phones, once you get your foot through the door, you could kind of trade them in every other year and get a very solid value. Like for example, if I were to trade in this S22, I could get the Google Pixel 7 256 for free. But yeah, that's I do love this thing. Well, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, and a sub. Other than that, thank you for stopping by. Later.